Hi everyone, this is me and my buddies. Before we go, we decided to grab some breakfast here at McDonald's because we were hungry, and look at my gorgeous best friend. We are commuting here in a van because we do not yet have a car, and we were heading to Quezon Province today. By the way guys, biglaan lang to because I just wanted to buy some stuff lang talaga at the SM store, and then they said, oh, let's drive to Quezon Province and then we'll return later night, which I reply, fine. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Quezon Province. Pupuntahan namin yung classmate nila. Hi! Hi, hello! Nandito na po kami. Ito po yung may-ari ng bahay. Bye guys! Palis na kayo. Punta kami ilog. Sama mo si Risa. Ate si ate! Orte ang uwi!
Yung ganda niya, karisa kanya.
Yeah! Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. I'm really impressed how beautiful the view here in Quezon Province. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ilog is there. So we're gonna go down here. Yeah. Here. So going there. Oh my god. Ito po yung mga kasama ko. Ito yung may pakana eh. Hinapak ako bigla. Nabugbog tuloy ako. Pero worth it naman. Kasi wow. This is masterpiece, guys. Ano ba to? Oh my god. Tara na, kakain na tayo. And then we're just talking here before we head back to her friend's place. By the way guys, I didn't take a video when we go back because my pony is already dead.